How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to get veins to pop out of your hands tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So let's start this workout out with some extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go straight into the claw stretch. So get your fingers, curl them really, really tight. We're gonna hold this position for about 20 seconds. So again, your fingers should be tight the whole time, squeezing the whole time. This is how you make this exercise effective. If you just sit there with your fingers like this, it's not gonna work. You have to squeeze them extremely, extremely hard. So again, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Perfect. Quick little break. Next exercise we're going to do is hand curls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're gonna do squeezes. So squeeze your hands as hard as possible. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Again, try to squeeze for about 20, hold this for about 20 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. We're going to do one of the newer exercises, wrist curls, which again works the hands as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. Quick little break. Then we're going to do some hand curls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16. 20. Perfect, you guys. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.